Hi, to use app with your Marshall Monitor Free ANC. As a first step, make sure that they are turned on. For that, take a look at this indicator. It should light up white. If you don't know how to turn them on, you will need to simply find this gold button, which is located on the right earpiece, and hold it so that indicator will light up white. After that, make sure that the headphones are connected to your phone via Bluetooth. To check this, open Settings, go in Bluetooth, and here make sure that you can see the status connected near the name of your device. After that, we will need to go in App Store or Play Store depending on your device, and from here find and download this Marshall Bluetooth app. Mine is already installed, so let's simply open it. Now we will need to allow to find Bluetooth devices. That is important. Here you need to agree to the user license agreement and tap the next button. After that, you can enter your email address to stay updated, or you can skip this step. So let's skip it. Here you can either share your data or do not share. To do not share, just tap on this switch word to turn it off and go next. And now we will need to add our headphones. For that, click this white button Add New Device, and it is searching for our Monitor Free ANC. And yep, it found it. We will need to simply click this white button to add them. And now we will need to double press the control knob. For that, you will need to find this gold button again, which is control knob, and double press it. So I double press it, and let's tap the continue button. And here you can see that we will need to connect them via Bluetooth, but we already checked these steps, so let's select I am already connected. Here we will need to choose select device and switch to our Monitor Free ANC like that. And now we will need to accept the Bluetooth pairing request. So let's tap the continue button. And now we'll see some on-screen instructions how to use this app with the headphones. So simply tap get started, and here is your app. And your headphones are now connected to this app because you can see its battery percentage, the name of the device. And now you can customize settings, and also you can customize M button, which is located on your right earpiece, right here indicated by the letter M. So you can simply go in this section and select an action for that button. For example, you can select voice assistant, and now you will need to simply single press this M button to trigger voice assistant. And yep, it's working. So just check the rest of the settings and enjoy your headphones. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!